it's Becca. I have a really great recipe for you today that I think you'll all really like. We're doing lavender and lemon sweet rolls, which are a really delicious, fun, summer treat, so I'm really excited for this recipe. In a small pot, gently heat the oat milk, sugar, vegan butter, and lavender to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir in the yeast. Leave for a few minutes to hydrate. Add the flour and salt to a large bowl. Add the oat milk mixture. Stir until the flour is fully hydrated. Cover and ferment for 1 hour. In a small bowl, make the filling by mixing together the sugar and lemon zest. Rub the mixture together between your fingers until it becomes fragrant. On a well-floured surface, knead the dough for a couple minutes. Roll the dough into a large rectangle. Coat the dough liberally with the softened butter. Sprinkle the sugar and lemon mixture on top. Gently roll the dough up. Cut into 1.5-inch slices. Arrange the rolls on a lined sheet tray. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and proof for 45 minutes. Bake at 375 for 20 to 22 minutes. To make the icing, add the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla to a large bowl. Mix until well combined. Add lemon juice if you'd like. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all like this recipe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I do weekly videos on how to make bread. As well, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter as @breadwithbecca. And I'll see y'all next week.